Welcome for mathematics lesson. We're going to discuss the Alliance post-mock exam. I'll begin with section 1 in paper 1. Number 1. Evaluate without using a calculator. So we have a question here from integers. This is a negative 24 divided by, this is a negative 6 multiplied by 8, then minus a negative 40. I will start by handling the numerator. We know very well that there is what we call the order of operations in all the numbers, whether fractions, whether decimals, whether integers, like in this case. There is what we call order of operations, and they are governed by BODMAS. BODMAS is an acronym that governs how operations will be carried out. We begin by opening brackets, then off, then a division, multiplication, addition, then finally subtraction. Now, when I get to this one, I can see there are some brackets, and that is what I'll begin by opening. So we have a negative 24 divided by negative 6. So I'll open this bracket by first of all dividing negative 6 with negative 24. Therefore, I'll begin with negative 24 out of negative 6. I'll divide that. Then I'll multiply the product or the quotient by 8. Then there is another bracket here whereby it's negative minus a negative 4. So I'll again open this bracket, whereby to open the bracket, I'll need negative 4. And when two negatives are multiplied to open the bracket, they become a positive. So finally, I'll be adding 40. Finally, I'll be adding 40 because this will become an addition. Now I'm done with brackets. When I divide negative and negative, the effect cancels, and this becomes positive 4. Therefore, 4 multiplied by 8 becomes 32. Then I add 40. This will be 7, 2. That is from the numerator. When I go to the denominator, I'm having negative 12 multiplied by 12, then divided by negative 12. So I'll begin with this division first. This division, because it opens a bracket. Therefore, negative 12 should remain here, as I first of all have this 12 divided by negative 12. So this one should be handled first. And we're going to have negative 12 multiplied by negative 1. And this becomes exactly 12. Positive 12. Therefore, this becomes negative 1. And there is a negative 12 here. So negative 12 times negative 1 becomes positive 12. So now, for me to get the answer, I'm supposed to combine now the answer from the numerator and the answer from the denominator. And this gives us exactly 6. So the answer is positive 6. Thank you for following. Subscribe and share.